Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are all well. Today I am going to show the basic understanding of signaler in ASP.NET Core. As you see, I created a chat hub class inherited from hub. This class will be used to send messages. As you see, I declared a method send message. This method will be called when a message will be sent. In this method, as you see this line, it is sending this message to all connected clients. First of all, in program.cs I registered the chat hub this way. Then in my page I declared the script, signaler script. And then I initiated the connection this way. As you see, whenever I wrote a connection to on method, and this method will be used to receive the broadcast messages as I showed you. So I am getting all the parameters, and I process the message. Then I will use connection.invoke method to send messages so that it will be broadcasted to all connected clients. So this way I am able to send messages and receive messages in real time using signaler. Okay, so in this videos I'll be elaborate more about this. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye for now. Thank you.